Hello? Y'all called? Y'all called about 100%? Y'all called about another 150%? Y'all call that? Yes, we did. We did call that. We called it all on live, man. We did some FOMC trading today. Absolutely banked today, man. One of the easiest FOMCs I think I've ever had to trade. Oh man, talk about brutal waiting for it though. So waited for the market and stuff like that. Not the market. Waited for Mr. Powell himself. So obviously we didn't do nothing going into the day. But let's start. Let's see. My fault. I didn't even say nothing. My fault. I'm a little hype off the gains. But it's your boy K Trades. Okay. Bet back. Another video. Another day. Another bag. Banked again, and again, and again, and again. All right, so first things first, man. Today we talked about, well, actually, yesterday, what did we talk about, right? We talked about anything in this zone holding, right? Anything in the zone holding would lead to a bullish recovery, right? Because we're still in the breakout, right? We're still in the breakout, that breakout retest zone, right? Up here, right? We couldn't break out, fail, swept, fail. So it's the first time we got a breakout continuation. And then, like I said, we could possibly be looking for a double bottom, inverse head and shoulder, right? Anything letting us know, hey, that this level, this 708, 710 level, we're liking it, right? So what did we do today? We waited, right? We were patient all day. We saw remember what I say about the wicks. We do not care about them wicks. We don't care about them wicks. So we sat, we saw the wicks, didn't care, blase. We do not care about the wicks. So what do? We waited for actual candles to close and get the traps. Remember what I said yesterday, day before? I keep saying it's always better to just wait for a trap, right? Wait for a trap. It's way more fun because at that point you're catching all the other people who are too quick and trying to be impatient. Screw them, right? We already got them, snagged them. All right. So when Powell started talking, right, we already had our channel drawn out. Why does it keep moving? Is this the one? I be on live so much. I'm like, we be using all the different charts. My fault. Hold on. Oh yeah, see, rejected that 5. That's so crazy how I did it right after then. But yeah, so we got the initial rejection of the 5, right? That's what we did peep. This candle, I can't really talk about the validity of this candle. I'm not really sure. But we did get the breakdown, right? Breakdown, retest. We continued. But remember, inside of this zone, we're not looking to jump the gun at all, right? We either want to see rejection, you can play the rejection, right? Breakdown, retest, which we could not get. We kept getting red candles. The same thing as yesterday, right? How many times I gotta talk about this? Yesterday we did it. Was this Monday? Last week we did it a bunch of times. Stop falling for them wicks, right? Stop falling for the wicks. The wicks are gonna do you bad every time. Wait for the candles to absolutely close. Wait for that timer to hit 0. Next candle open, right? You get a candle close confirmation. How was our confirmation? Simple, right? Easy. Did not close below. We kept attempting to get new lows all the while Powell was talking and stuff like that. But we couldn't. We started to bottom out, right? We waited, breakout, retest, kept it simple, and literally breakout, retest, kept it simple, breakout, retest, and we did it on the smaller time frames too. I don't know why I can't find the chart that we originally used. I'm geeking right now. But did I delete it? Did I delete the? I was just on live. My fault. So don't judge me right now. I'm a little geeked. But yeah, remember I drew out the 5. I said all I want is the 5. All I want is the 5. That's it. That's all I kept saying. 5-day. Hey, use a 5-day. Because then we'll know for sure, right? We'll know, okay, we're bullish or bearish. We can't close above the 5. We can't get above the 5. We're not bullish, right? If this 5-day starts to curl down, then that means, hey, we might be pullback time. So it's simple, man. We got our breakout, retest. Oh, I did delete it. That's why I'm like, where is it at? Right there. There we go. Yeah, so we used this one for our we use this one, right? So we got the breakout, retest, really drew it out for you, breakout, retest. So today, like I said, it's just a super simple day. Wait. Be patient, wait for Powell. And then, we just played the charts, man. First move was just grabbing liquidity. And, didn't really go much from there. I'm actually thinking about buying some calls real quick. One second. That's so crazy. The last candle took our SPX freaking stupid in the money. So I sold on my SPY. But actually, while we're on live, let me go ahead and see what we're looking like for 2 days out. All right, yeah. I might grab actually, hold on. Oh yeah, no, never mind. I thought this was the 5. This is the 5. So never mind. Nix that. So anyway, yeah. So what do we do from now, right? Where do we go from here, right? So clearly we got ranges established. We've got this range that we broke out from, and then we've got a stronger selling range that we almost got back into, right? If we would have closed below and got continuation, we would have aimed for the bottom, right? If we stay inside the channel, let it continue down. But we didn't get that. We got the breakout, right? And now we're back in this one. So what's our best bet? Right here, possibly get a bottom here. You know, if we do get up tomorrow, see if we can hold. Same, we're doing the same levels, right? Same levels. If tomorrow 710 can hold again, we can push back above the 5, boom, push back up, you know, 712, 714, same levels, right? But again, the only thing I'm kind of nervous about is, like I said, this 5. We couldn't quite get it to close above, but we did get a push in after hours. So I'm kind of like, I'm a little sketched out about that, right? We did get that push. Like I said, it's earnings, so you know, probably just a little earnings candle, but we still need a candle to close over that, right? So that's why I said never mind on those calls. Because we just didn't, like I said, we didn't get the close I wanted. So gotta stick to the rules. So game plan, anything above 710, 711. I'm literally gonna be keep wash and rinse and repeat. I'm gonna keep telling y'all the same levels, right? If this continues to hold, break above, go higher, right? If we do not, we lose 709.25, right? 709.25. You look for that 707 to 705, right? Anything below that, you got 702, 700, right? All these lower levels. But yeah, we seem to be holding pretty good, right? I still kind of want us to come down here and retest this because remember, this is the overall zone that we're looking at, right? For the rejection. Oh shoot, hold on. Right, it's our overall rejection zone. This is daily resistance up here, right? And we were up here for months up here. We finally got the dump, recovered all the way back to the thing, right? We got one little two, but I'm saying like that wick, I'm kind of like, this don't even seem right. Right, and then yeah, see, look, even with this, looks even better for not swinging. And I'm glad we took our profit on those calls into that close because that was a crazy candle. That was beautiful. Oh, chef's kiss. But yeah, again, even if this 4-hour closes above this, means nothing. We need a close below, right? Something to tell us, all right, finally we can get a pullback into 705. And I actually might. If the earnings miss really bad, hold on. Flat. Ain't even do nothing. All right, actually, yeah, let's see how much these, no, never mind. Actually, no. Because like I just said, yeah, we're still below the level. So even if they do right here in earnings goes, I keep forgetting Meta and all that stuff has earnings today, but earnings calls. So at any moment, they can flip it. So we're not going to do anything right now. Damn, I should about to die. But yeah, so anything below this, remember, below this, you watch for consolidation under, can't get it, think, fall back down, right? So you could risk, let's say, what I would risk as far as like downside possibility, maybe 2 DTE 700s, right, or something like that, because you don't want to go, you know what I'm saying, you don't want to go too crazy with it, and then you know, you be on the wrong side. Okay, so maybe earnings is gonna tank it. So if that's the case, like I said, we end up down here tomorrow. Obviously, it's unfair, but watch for that 707. If we do got down that much, we could get a bounce, or like I said, anything below 705, be careful, right? Careful down there, anything below 705. But as long as this 709.25 hold, you cannot be going short just yet, right? Because it's just not time. When the market tells us it's time, it'll be time. So yeah, keep it simple. We're doing good under 10 minutes. You know, like to say under 10. Yeah, today was beautiful, man. I ain't gonna lie, we smacked. We went crazy today. We went absolutely bonkers. So we caught the calls after hours. Those printed. We sold those, right? We got SPX last minute, literally last minute. Look at it. Like last minute. We caught SPX again, right? Calls 100%. We caught, where is it at? SPX puts. We caught puts. Yeah, we do calls and puts. 9.5 to 0.3, going crazy. Yeah, actually, before I close this video off, my laptop's about to die. I'm about to close it at 10 minutes. But if you did want to try puts, I would do 700 puts for tomorrow, right? Because if earnings is bad and they tank it, we'll probably open up somewhere near that. So yeah, I would do that. 700 puts for tomorrow. They're only like $60. So I actually might try some of those myself. Actually, yeah, let's do that. Y'all will be seeing this late, so I'm sorry, but yeah, I might try those. Light size, of course, we're up crazy on the day. Don't want to give no money away. Ain't trying to get no money on ski away. Hell no. All right, that'll do it, man. See y'all.